Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options, how to customize Magnifier Floating On-Screen Shortcut, and where to find it. So first of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings, we need to go to accessibility, then vision enhancements. Then we are looking for the magnifier. And here's our shortcut with the button to turn it on or off. Then we need to open the magnifier shortcut. Next, we need to go to this cogwheel here, and here we have our magnifier floating button shortcut. This is this button. So we can change the size, medium, large, small, of course. Here we can turn on or off the fade option when we don't use this button, and we can change the transparency of the button if we do not use the fade option. And that's pretty much all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.